Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So let's start our today's class. So class, today we will learn about the states and union territories of India and its capital. This is an important thing that we should all know as a citizen of India. So first of all, how many states and union territories are there in India? There are 28 states and 8 union territories at present. So what is the difference between a state and union territory? A state is a constituent division that has a separate government, whereas an union territory is a small administrative unit that is ruled by the union. The union territories are administered and controlled directly by the central government of India. In simple words, the difference is that a state is ruled by its own state government, whereas a union territory is directly ruled by the central government or union government. So India has 28 states and 8 union territories as of 2021. So let's see the location of different states and union territories and its capital one by one. Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. Assam. Its capital is Dispur. Bihar. Its capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur. Goa. Its capital is Panaji. Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana. Its capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh. Its capital is Shimla. Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi. Karnataka. Its capital is Bangalore. Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Meghalaya. Its capital is Shillong. Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Sikkim. Its capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Telangana. Its capital is Hyderabad. Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Union territories and its capital. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh. Its capital is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory and the capital of 2 states, that is Punjab and Haryana. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Its capital is Daman. Since 2020, the Union Territory Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli have become a single union territory. Delhi. Its capital is New Delhi. Lakshadweep. Its capital is Kavarati. Puducherry. Its capital is Pondicherry. Jammu and Kashmir. Its capital is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Ladakh. Its capital is Leh. So class, have you all understood well? How many states are there in India? There are 28 states. And how many union territories are there? Yes, there are 8 union territories. Now coming to your assignment. Today you have to write the state and union territories and its capital on your social science notebook. So now, write today's date, that is 16 February 2021. Assignment 48, and write the topic States and Union Territories of India in capital letters. Now make 2 rows, one row for the state and the other for its capital. We have learned that there are 28 states and we have already learned the names of those 28 states. So now I will not read out the names of those states. Well, so this is the format of how you have to write. Write the names of the state in alphabetical order and mention its capital on the same line in the other row. As for the union territories and its capital, you have to apply the same format. Name of the 8 union territories on one row and its capital on the other row. So this is how you have to write. So at the end of your writing, you have to underline with blue and red pencils. The activity for today is that you have to color 10 states and 2 union territories with capitals. So the materials needed in this activity is 1 political map of India and color pencils. You have to color only with color pencils and no other kind of colors. So color the 10 states with different colors and use the red color and mark the capitals with red dots. So here in this political map of India, I have colored 10 states and labeled the name of the state in capital letters and its capitals in small letters. So the 10 states which I have colored are Himachal Pradesh with its capital Shimla, Rajasthan with its capital Jaipur, Uttar Pradesh with its capital Lucknow, Maharashtra with its capital Mumbai, Odisha with its capital Bhubaneswar, Telangana with its capital Hyderabad, Kerala, its capital is Thiruvananthapuram, Arunachal Pradesh with its capital Itanagar, Nagaland with its capital Kohima, Mizoram with its capital Aizawl. And the 2 union territory which I took are Ladakh and its capital Leh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands with its capital Port Blair. You can color any other states and union territories, but it should be 10 states and 2 union territories. So after you complete your map work, you have to paste it on your notebook. I hope you all have understood well of how you have to do your map work. So this is all about today's class. Thank you class and see you in the next class.